It's wobbling pretty intense. And we got the old check engine light, the traction control light, my oil light's on, the emergency brake light flashes, and my cruise control light flashes up here, which is pretty awesome. Yeah. So, let's figure this out. Oh my gosh, it's like 100 and something degrees out there, you guys. It's insane. It's all right though. I'm ready for this. That's why I went to Arizona, right, Sherry? Right, Harvey? That's why I got prepped for this, right? You know, it's like 109 in my shop right now. Oh, look at that. Damn, brand new. All rubber in there, baby. Just wait till I show you guys the one that I'm getting ready to take out. It's hilarious. So look at this, right? So we got a new motor mount. We're gonna get it installed. Maybe the Subaru won't vibrate as much. Maybe something will go right for me. I am trying to let the shop kind of air out and just like get some sort of vent going here with cool air, but it's not really working. So I think we're just gonna have to go with it. I think we're just gonna have to go with what we got. So, see my little butterfly clips? I got my little butterfly clips in. Is there an age limit to these things? I feel like there's an age limit to these things, but who knows? I don't know.
So we're going to be removing 5 14mm bolts. There's 3 here on this Y bracket, and then there's 2 more connected to the mount itself. Doing the work and filming is never easy, but I'm doing my best to do both at once, you guys. And also, from the beginning, I put a jack directly under the motor and just relieved a little bit of stress that was on the motor mount.
Ripped itself right off of there. Okay, I think it's good enough. Alright, so we took these 2 14s off, the 1 14 in the center, and then now we're going for the 2 14s right here.
Leverage is necessary a lot of the time. Just saying. Lastly, remove that center bolt running straight through the middle of the mount. You'll need a wrench on one side and a 14 on the other side.
Success! Alright, let's see. Oh man. Get this bolt out of here. Oh, got that. Let's see what she looks like. Something's wrong. Holy cow. Look at that, man. Wow. What looks wrong with that, you guys? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so picked up the car and I just felt like something was off, you know? The motor got replaced, but definitely the mount was lacking. Clacking and lacking. So that's pretty hilarious. Time to get rocking. Let's get something more stable in there, you know, more reliable and safe. Heck yeah. Bam! Look at that bad boy. We got a brand new one. We're ready to slap it in. It's brilliant. Looks beautiful. And
I bet this is really gonna tackle some of that vibration that I've been having. I mean, just saying. Makes sense, and I think this looks a lot more stable. Heck yeah, let's do this. I just cannot believe that. That's absolutely insane. I felt like a total vibration in the car, like while I was driving, ever since I got it back from PFI. But, you know, that'll do it. That will definitely, do it. Like, look at that. Like, that is cracked right there, too. Like, completely cracked. Like, just insane. I can't even believe that was even hanging on there. Like, that's crazy. Goodbye. Getting this center bolt through is definitely the funnest part. If you don't have tiny hands, I bet it will be a lot harder. But I am blessed. Heck yes. Oh. The threads are just like, it does not, I don't want to. Oh my god, where did that just drop into? I see it! Oh my goodness. This would be my luck that I would drop a bolt underneath the jack, but at least I have my nifty slipper gripper. Oh, look at that. I got it. It won't come out. It won't come out from underneath the jack. I got it. Heck yeah. Just test and check. Nope. I have the jack directly underneath the motor, so it's not lining up, so all I have to do is jack up the motor just a little bit until it aligns right. Oh, I think I got it. That's in. When installing the new one, I like to keep everything loose, just so that if adjustments need to be made, they can be. You leave just that little bit of wiggle room in each bolt, and then that way, if anything doesn't align, you can shift it, and it won't be a big deal. Again, tiny hands really come into play. I was able to get this all from the top pretty much. I don't have the hand tightening skills. Gotta use the mini ratchet for almost everything. And it's literally a 14 millimeter for everything on here. So that also makes it, you know, convenient, easy, which I was not expecting because it's a Subaru. But now we know. 14 millimeter, everything. Easy. Alright. I got it done. I'm just gonna fire it up, see how it sounds. Oh my gosh, what a difference.
I recommended a way to get ahead of it. Then I said,
right.
Yes to invest.
Sorry, but look, there is no vibration at all. My radar detector was like about to fall off before, man. There's no vibration. I can't even believe it, dude. It sounds so different, just like doing that motor mount sounds different. Like, that's weird to say, but it does. It feels more responsive. Like, you don't realize the difference that a motor mount can make, but when the whole car's shaking because of the motor mount, tons of stuff can get messed up. And when I say mess things up, I do not mean that lightly. I just replaced the transmission not too long ago, and when I got my car back, I was having problems shifting. I really didn't put two and two together at first, but now I can understand. The motor shifting and all the stress that it can cause could definitely lead to transmission issues. Not only that, it can lead to oil leaks and belt problems as well. Tons of things. You just gotta listen to the car. If it's making weird vibrations, if it's making weird noises, just listen to it. It'll tell you exactly what it needs. You hear that? That's what I'm saying. That was all the support I had. Like, it goes on like that, you guys. Okay? So the bottom half was just missing. If that tells you anything, I could have died. Alright? This should have been replaced when my new motor got installed. It didn't. 'Tis life. On this note, though, on this half a star note, I'm gonna call it good for tonight. I got the Subaru fixed up. It's my night off. I am, gonna crack a beer and relax. Heck yeah. Because I think I deserve it. I'm just saying. The old Subaru, she's been through a lot, man. She's been through a lot. All I gotta say right there is she's been through a lot. Just got a new motor swap. I can't wait to get you guys that video. That's gonna be exciting. Ugh. That's coming up next. I just gotta pull all that footage from my hard drive. We're gonna show you guys what went down. Tomorrow Frank's gonna show up though, and he's gonna help me work on the main harness plug clip thing. It's a little broken, so he's gonna help me with that. Maybe my dash lights won't be so much Christmas tree light like, you know, like flashing all the time 24/7. Maybe we'll be able to figure that out. But tonight I am signing out. We got something accomplished at least, and I can get you guys a little video out. I got my butterfly clips in still. They have been hanging with me all day, man. We are doing good. Heck yeah, you guys rock. So exciting to know that the mountain's fixed. Like, this startup is so calm. Oh my goodness. There's no vibrations, like, at all. Like, even slightly. Woo! Thank you guys so much for joining me, as always. I cannot wait to get rocking on the hot rods. We got a lot of stuff coming up for the El Camino and the Nova. I cannot wait to show you guys. Go ahead and pick up some merch. I appreciate y'all. Y'all rock.